While you can use DocScanFx to convert your paper documents to images, you can also convert your paper documents to electronic forms and fill them out on the computer to eliminate paper altogether. There are also tools for annotating images to add markings to diagrams or to add text to draw attention to a particular point. Let's take a look. I already have a patient loaded up in DocScanFx, and you can see for this particular mode, Forms is enabled. When you click on the Forms button, the forms for this mode are shown. I'm going to choose this KUB ultrasound worksheet. When you choose a form, it's presented with a bunch of text fields that you can fill out. The rose-colored text fields are read-only, and this information came from the actual DICOM exam so that the end user doesn't have to fill those fields out. The fields in blue can be changed. For instance, the chief complaint here says left flank pain, hematuria. If that wasn't accurate, you could have changed it to right flank pain, hematuria. All the rest of the fields would then get filled out. And I'll just mark this one as abnormal. And I'll click on Save. The form is then changed to an image. If you had noticed that you had done something wrong, you can go back and click on the Revert button, and the form will be brought back up with all of the settings that you previously had in. Let's say it was 9, and you had meant to say abnormal. You then can resave it, and it would update the form appropriately. Clicking on the Edit button will open up the same form in an image editor window. Here we have tools that we can draw on the image or just stamp some text onto the screen. The tools that are available to you are brought up by clicking the right mouse button, and a floating toolbar will appear. Now let's say I wanted to use this smallest brush size pen, and I also wanted to use red. I could then draw some sort of attention to a particular note that I wanted somebody to see, or if there was a diagram on this page, I could make markings on the diagram. And then you can also use this to stamp some text into the page. I'm going to click this text tool, and I'll click right here. I'll type call Dr. Jones. Now that's awful small. I'm going to use the back button in order to erase that. Here I can choose the different font information. I'm going to choose a larger size font. And now when I enter in some text, it's a much better size. I'll go ahead and close this window, and we'll see that the image is updated with what we had done. Forms are perfect for text performing portable exams too. Just deploy DocScanFx to computers near where to your techs perform the portable procedures. Then they can remotely fill out a form or create a virtual requisition instead of returning to the department and scanning in paperwork. Thanks for watching this, and please contact us at support@paxlogic.com if you have any questions. Thanks.